Hi guys, good morning. Har Har Gange, Namami Gange, Shivam Solanki this side. So I'm traveling from Haridwar to Bhavnagar by train in AC 2-tier. Some information about this train. So this train departs from Bhavnagar every Monday night 8:20 p.m. It reaches Haridwar Wednesday early morning 3 or 4 a.m. And the same train departs from Haridwar on Wednesday at 5 a.m. and reaches Bhavnagar the next day, that is Thursday, on 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So a very nice, very well maintained train, neat, on time, maintaining a good speed and very less traffic this time. And what all things you get when you are in AC 2-tier? Well, one blanket, this is the one bed sheet, this is second bed sheet, two bed sheet, one napkin and one pillow. Here you get reading light, curtain placement, mirror placement, cloth hanger, and this side you get the control switch for your lights on off. So you can switch on or off the lights from this side. From the back side you can control this lights as well as the middle one. You get a big curtain here. So this is basically the upper berth, this is the lower berth, curtains for privacy. This side you get the side lower and side upper berth, and this is how the train looks like. This side you have one Indian toilet as well as the foreign toilet, so both you get. And in the front end you get a wash basin. Now there is an app called Where Is My Train. Okay, so you need to turn on the location. Inside this train I kept yes, track location with GPS, means it will show the speed of the train. So currently we are at 35 km per hour, about to reach Ambala cantonment at 8:40 a.m. It will depart at 9 a.m. So each and every minute information about this train is shared on this wonderful app. Very nice design app. Train number 19272, which stations, how much long this train will be waiting. This alarm, this is a very good feature. If you want to have a deep sleep and don't want your station to miss out, you can set an alarm, set destination, and this alarm will blow when you reach that particular station. Another one, you have this coach. So currently I'm in this A2 coach, so front end side A2, A1, then you have this 3-tier coaches, B series, S series is the sleeper series, and the last we have the general series. So these is the sitting positions of the train. So overall a very wonderful app. So Bhavnagar is 1573 kilometers. We're reaching Bhavnagar tomorrow around 12 p.m. Here the speed is increasing now. A super fast, you can say it's an express train. Good experience overall. Currently about to reach Punjab. So Sat Shri Akal everybody. I hope you like this informative vlog on this Haridwar to Bhavnagar train. This is my basically the first train journey. Currently going back towards Bhavnagar. Travel vlogs of Dragon series Haridwar Rishikesh will be rolling out soon. Stay tuned for that. Till then, take care of yourself as well as your loved ones. Keep learning and using new technologies. Keep traveling, keep exploring. This is Shivam signing off. Take care. Bye bye.